Today I'm going to try out this Meguiars Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. I got it at Walmart, and we're going to see if it works today. This is going to be a really good test because, as you can see, this headlight has seen better days. Okay, so we're going to open this up, and here's the instructions. Looks like we got a microfiber towel, some of this Plast X stuff, and we got the protectant. We got this neat little sandpaper holder with these 2 discs of sandpaper, and we get a little buffing wheel to put on a drill. The first thing it says to do is to clean the headlight and then mask it off. So in order to help with that process, I'm just going to lift the hood so I have less to mask. Okay, so just going to spray it with water. And then wipe it off with a towel. Also, the headlight always seems to look better when it's wet. It's when it dries is the real test to see if the headlight is any better. Okay, so next thing it says to put the 1000 grit sandpaper disc onto this little holder here, and we're going to go side to side motions overlapping, and then it says do this until it appears evenly frosted. And while we're doing this, I'm just going to keep this wet by spraying it. You can also dunk it in a thing of water, and then afterwards we're going to dry it with the microfiber towel. It says keep it wet. Okay, that looks good to me. I'm going to dry it with the microfiber towel. Okay, so now we're going to test the 3000 grit sandpaper disc, and we're going to go up and down, and in the very same way. And we're going to keep it wet, just like before. Doesn't say whether to dry it or not, but I'm going to dry it in the same way I did last time. Alright, so now it says we're going to attach the buffer to a drill, and we're going to use this Plast X compound that it came with, and it says apply a nickel sized amount to this buffer, and then what it says to do is put it straight on and tilt it to one side, and then go in back and forth motions in small areas and slowly do the whole headlight. It also says to remove make sure to remove the compound with this towel before it can dry. The instructions say don't put a lot of pressure in it. It says keep the drill speed relatively low and apply a light pressure. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to put a nickel sized amount. There we go. We're going to put it flat on. Tilt it to one side. It also says not to use the edge of the pad. And we're just going to keep doing this until until we're satisfied with the headlight. Okay, so I did it 3 more times, and this headlight looks beautiful. It's worlds better than it was. Okay, the last thing it says to do is apply this protectant onto the headlight with a different cloth than the one you used. I'm pretty impressed with that. Very impressed with that. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Man, that's looking so much better. I really am impressed about how well that worked. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.